Hello. Today we're going to be studying integers and absolute value. We've talked about it briefly in class. We're going to go a few more examples on here for notes. So integers, as a reminder, integers are all of the positive and negative whole numbers. There are no fractions and decimals that are integers, just whole numbers. And on a number line, we have 0 as our origin, and then positive numbers moving to the right, negative numbers moving to the left. And I do want you to get this diagram in the notes written out to make sure you're pausing as you need to. Absolute value. Absolute value of a number is the distance to 0. Distance cannot be negative, so the absolute value cannot be negative. So the absolute value of 5 is going to be 5. The absolute value of negative 5 is still 5 because you're moving 5 spaces to 0, both on the positive side and 5 spaces to 0 on the negative side. The absolute value of 0 is 0. Evaluate the absolute value. Ask yourself, how far is the number from 0? So absolute value of negative 4, we look at a number line down here, and we see that it is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces from 0. Absolute value of 3. Look at our number line. 1, 2, 3. It is 3 spaces. And the absolute value of negative 9 is longer than my board, but I would estimate if that's 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as you can see, the absolute value of a number is itself minus the negative sign. Opposites. Two numbers that have the same absolute value but different signs are called opposites. Example, negative 6 and 6 are opposites because both are 6 units away from 0. If we look at our number line again, we have our 0 at our origin, and positive 6 and negative 6 are both equally distanced from 0. And here's some practices for opposites. Opposite of negative 10 on the other side of the number line is going to be 10. Opposite of negative 35, positive 35. Opposite of 12 is going to be negative 12. Opposite of 100, negative 100. Opposite of 1, negative 1. Opposite of x, negative x. And that is the end of our lesson today. It was a very quick one. Hopefully it's a lot of review. If not, make sure you have all of the notes written down and examples, and we will continue with activities tomorrow in class.